What's up, Dragon Army? Welcome back to another video. I'm bringing back the classics. Today I'm going to be doing a 24-hour challenge at a haunted barn. I'm going to be all alone this time because I want to... I'm already tripping out. I want to make this as scary as possible for myself. So absolutely destroy that like button. You guys have been asking for a 24-hour challenge for a long time. So smash that like button. If we get 15,000 likes, I'll do another 24-hour challenge by myself, or maybe I'll bring somebody. But comment down below because I read your comments. And here we go. Okay guys, I'm already at the haunted barn and it's already dark and it's snowing like crazy as I'm about to go in. But there's some footprints and they literally lead inside. Guys, I think this is a bad idea. What if there's a wolf? What if there's a whole pack of coyotes? You know, whoa, what the fuck is that? Guys, I'm actually tripping out. These footprints look really fresh too. Something is definitely in here because it's snowing right now and these are new, so there might be something in here. But I told you guys that we were gonna do a 24-hour challenge. I'm not gonna clickbait you guys, so hopefully I don't die. Here we go. Guys, I'm actually terrified right now, and the thing is, when I put in the light on myself, I can't see anything, and when I look at the dark, all I can picture is like a jump scare of like something like Foxy, but like a legit coyote. But I can't believe I'm doing this right now, but here we go. If you guys see anything, by the way, please let me know. And if you guys hear anything. Hello? What the fuck? Hello? Coyote? Please don't let there be a coyote. What the fuck? Guys, I'm gonna make a loud bark, see if anything answers. Hello? Okay guys, I don't think there's anything in here, but I have my second doubts. If you guys see any eyes or something, let me know, guys. Please stay on watch. First thing I'm gonna do is explore this area quick, because if there is something, it should be over there. Yo, what if I go in the corner and there's a ton of coyotes? This is such a bad idea. Okay, there's nothing. You know what's funny? You guys always say that I don't do real scary shit. Oh my god, what's that? Why is there a bull? Okay, there's nothing. Oh my god. Okay, there's nothing here, so that's good at least. No coyotes. Whoa, what the fuck was that noise? Okay guys, so the good news is there's nothing down there either. Guys, the good news is there's nothing in this corner. I'm gonna keep exploring now. After the 24-hour challenge, so I have to make sure everything is safe before I do it. So I have to explore a little bit first. Yo, I think I saw something move down there. By the way, guys, don't forget to go and grab your AldosWorld TV hoodie, guys. I gotta plug in the merch because I'm risking my life right now. Like literally, there might be a bunch of coyotes. You guys saw the footprints. So go and get your AldosWorld merch. Also, don't forget to go and get your dragon necklace, okay? This is a badass necklace and it's on my website for a limited time. So go and get it at www.aldosworldstore.com if you are part of the Dragon Army. And by the way, whenever you get merch, a lot of you guys have been saying, yo, how come you aren't doing shout outs anymore? What I want you guys to do is anytime you buy a shirt, anytime you buy a bracelet, a necklace, make sure you tweet it at me, hashtag Aldo's Dragon, and I will shout you out because a lot of you guys have been asking for a shout. What the fuck was? Sorry guys, I thought I heard something. Anyways, a lot of you guys have been asking for shout outs. If you guys want shout outs, all you gotta do is comment hashtag AldosDragon and I'll notice it and I'll put it in my future videos. So starting now, whenever you buy something, I will include you in the video. Just make sure to tweet it at me. So follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, and let's continue. Okay guys, so I need to check the corners because if there's something, it's gonna be hiding. You guys saw those footprints. Like, I didn't make those footprints. Somebody's gonna comment, what the fuck? Oh my god. somebody's gonna comment and make it seem like I made those footprints. You guys are crazy with clickbait, but I don't hear anything, so I think I'm good to go. I'm just gonna walk in because I'm a dragon and I'm fearless, and I don't give a shit if there's something here. If it's a coyote, I don't know, can I kick it in the head? Or guys, comment, let me know below, like if there was a coyote and I just tried kicking it in the head, would that work? Or I feel like coyotes travel in packs. I don't know, I feel like if there was a coyote, it's gonna be with like 5 of the coyotes and I can only kick 1 in the head, and the other ones are probably gonna start eating me, and I don't know, but it doesn't matter. I told you guys I was gonna do it. Guys, I'm laughing because every time I muster up the courage to be like, I told you guys we're gonna do this video, I hear some weird noise. But anyways, I really can't focus right now, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna explore the whole area, and once I deem that it's safe enough and that there's no coyotes, perfect weapon in case if I see something. So I'm gonna explore, guys, and if I see something I will start filming again, but I can't focus right now on filming because there's a legitimate danger here. Hey, that looks like a great stick to wield. Oh, I can smack something in the head with this. Haha. Alright, if there's a coyote, I can definitely battle my way out of this. So I'm gonna explore the whole area, and once I deem it's safe enough, we're gonna start this 24-hour challenge. Woo! I got so slight change of plans. Listen, you guys always tell me, Aldo, why do you put yourself in danger? Honestly, I usually do it for you guys, but you know what? I thought about it. Even though I didn't see any coyotes, I explored the whole area. I didn't find any coyotes, but you know what? I still saw the footprints, and I figured it's pretty dangerous. So why would I risk my life like that? Like, it was a real danger. So instead, what I'm gonna do is, I think this is kind of less dangerous. If you guys have watched any of sargi's videos recently, you guys will know that there is a Slenderman running around in a forest called the Slenderman's Forest. Well, I'm in that exact same forest right now, and I'm gonna be looking for Slenderman. Now, the reason I think this is less dangerous, even though technically speaking this is probably a bad idea, because sargi apparently just yo, I heard like a woof. What the fuck? I feel like every single time I do that, you guys are probably thinking, oh Aldo, why are you pretending like you're scared? Show us. But I actually just heard like a woof. It might just be a dog. But hey, if you're new to this channel, what's up? My name is Aldo. Subscribe to this channel, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button as well, most importantly, and let's go looking for Slenderman. By the way, if you guys haven't seen sargi's video, I'm gonna leave his link in the description below. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and we're gonna be looking for Slenderman, and we'll see what happens. Maybe we'll find him, maybe we won't, but you know, I think this is less dangerous because I'm actually pretty fast, and unless I just get hit, you know, in the head or something, or I slip, which is really possible because there's snow everywhere, then I think it's safer than running around in a small confined area with a coyote, a bunch of coyotes. If there's coyotes here, I can run or something. And the snow is kind of cool. Like it's like I came here in the summer and it was way scarier because you couldn't see anything, but the floor is like white, so at least I can kind of see. So the thing about this forest is it is so friggin' damn big. So if there is a Slenderman, it could be anywhere. I remember I did a one-man hide and seek challenge here, and it was very scary. A bunch of weird shit happened. So I definitely agree that there is something wrong with this forest, and I'm here alone. And also, guys, one time I was exploring, okay, and I literally came across a mini house, and it was in the middle of the forest, and I don't remember exactly where it was because this is a gigantic forest, but it's somewhere. So my theory, anyways, I feel like the guy who is being Slenderman actually lives deep into the forest. If you guys remember when I came here with Brian, I'm gonna put the video in the top right corner, you guys can go and click it. There was an old man with his dog, and he told us to come with him because there's some kind of plantation or like some weird shit, and that guy looked really freaky. If you're watching this and you're that guy, I'm sorry, but that was kind of scary. And then he asked us to stay at his house, and we were with Marcus as well at the time. And what happened was I told Marcus decided to go back to the car because, you know, some old man was telling us, oh, let's go to the plantation. And then me and Ryan were kind of scared, and we were like, oh no, we're gonna go back with our friend. I think he's gonna drive off, you know, just kind of trying to tell him, you know, leave us alone. And then you know what he said? He literally told us, oh, you don't need your friend, you can come sleep at my house. Like, what? Dude, it was like 3 a.m. at the time, and we don't even know who this person is, and he's inviting us to sleep at his house. So I think it's that same guy. And maybe if I heard a barking noise, I think it might be his dog, but it also might be other dogs, because a bunch of people walk their dogs around. Enough with my story time. Sometimes you guys think I ramble a lot, but you guys are the only people that I can talk to right now. You know what I mean? Inside this haunted forest by myself. I need somebody to talk to. I think that's the house right there. Because look, there's a forest, and then there's some random ass house in the middle of nowhere. So that might be the house? I don't know. I'm gonna keep exploring, guys. If I come closer to Slenderman, I'm gonna I don't know. Guys, I swear to God, I just heard some like weird ass noise. I wasn't filming, but it sounded like a kind of sounded like an owl. So whatever, anyways, let's keep walking. I haven't found anything so far. I think I should go deeper in to find the house, but at the same time I'm kind of scared. I don't want to. What the yo, the thing is, there might be like random animals too. I just heard something moving here. Look, the thing is, there's footprints here, but I mean, it's more normal here because it's a big ass, it's a big forest, you know what I mean? Okay, that was weird. I don't know why I heard a noise. It came from down there, but there's nothing there, so I guess that's, maybe I should go investigate. Guys, there's a noise. It came from somewhere here, but it sounded like an owl or like something really, something weird. Maybe there's a bird up here or something. But why would there be an owl in this weather? Ah! Whoa, what the? Yo, what the? Yo, what the hell is that? Yo, what the fuck is that? What the hell? Yo, I need to replay that clip. I don't understand. Is this a prank or something? Guys, I'm so confused. Something literally came out and it looked like a burnt face. But why would there be, that did not look like Slenderman at all. What the hell just happened? Okay guys, I ran away, but what I also saw, I don't know if you guys noticed that, it looked like somebody actually had a mask on. And you know, you can fool me, but I'm not an idiot. Okay, I might be kind of dumb. Sometimes I'm kind of dumb. But I looked at the footage again and I saw somebody wearing a mask, and they also had a camera. And the only person who called me and asked a lot of questions today was Ali H. He called me today and I wasn't filming, but he asked me to go to the gym with him, and then I said I would go to the gym with him tomorrow. Not only did he say that, he also called me again. He asked me if he can help me film this video. He's like, yeah man, do you need help, blah blah blah, I can come help you out. But I told him I was gonna do the video alone. And so I think that might be Ali H. I'm trying to find him. I want to catch him, but I'm gonna wait around here, see if I find him. But otherwise, I'll let you guys know. I know he's somewhere here. Ali, he was somewhere here. Okay guys, I've been exploring for like 20 minutes and I'm starting to get frostbite, and I still don't see him. I think he probably left or something. But I'm gonna check Ali's channel tomorrow. If he did prank me, he's gonna upload it tomorrow. So guys, comment, let me know what you guys think, because I think that was Ali H. There's no way, because I saw a camera and a mask. But I'm gonna get out of here, and I'm gonna investigate more. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know it was kind of quick, but it's really cold. So, and I'm kind of scared because I saw something. I think it's Ali H, but it might be somebody else, but I definitely saw a camera. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.